Moodle is an open-source LMS system. Let's set up the product in your AWS account. You can find the link for the developer guide below in the description. And also you can find the developer guide under the additional resources section of the product page. If you have fulfilled all the prerequisites, you can continue to set up the product. To begin with, click the View Purchases Options button. After subscribing, you will need to accept the terms and conditions. Click on Accept Terms to proceed. Please wait for a few minutes while the processing takes place. Once it's completed, click on Continue to Configuration. Select CloudFormation Script to deploy Moodle option as the fulfillment option. Choose the version and your preferred region. Afterward, click the Continue to Launch button. From the Choose Action drop-down menu, select Launch CloudFormation and click Launch button. Now we can create CloudFormation stack. Click Next. Provide a unique stack name. Provide the admin email for SSL generation. For deployment name, enter a name of your choice. Provide a public domain name for domain name. Moodle wants to set up SSL manually based on provided domain name if that domain is hosted on Route 53. Please make sure your domain name is hosted on Route 53. Choose an instance type. Recommended is T3A.small. Select your preferred key name. Set SSH location as 0.0.0.0/0. Keep subnet CIDR block and keep VPC CIDR block as it is. Click Next. Tick the box that says, I acknowledge that AWS CloudFormation might create IAM resources with custom names. Click Next. Review and verify the details you've entered. Click Submit. Afterward, you'll be directed to the CloudFormation Stacks page. Please wait for 5 to 10 minutes until the stack has been successfully created. Fast forwarding 5 to 10 minutes. After CloudFormation is created, we can update DNS. Copy the public IP labeled Public IP in the Outputs tab. Go to AWS Route 53 and navigate to Hosted Zones. Select the correct hosted zone. From there, click on Create Record and enter the domain name. Paste the copied public IP address into the value text box and click Create Record. Let's see how to generate SSL manually. Copy the public IP address indicated as public IP in the Outputs tab. You can use terminal or SSH client. Here I use SSH client name Termius. After log you into the server, paste the following command into your terminal and press Enter and follow the instructions. You can also find the command under the Generate SSL section of the guide. Admin email is needed to generate SSL certificates. Waiting for a few minutes to complete steps. Fast forwarding 5 to 10 minutes. Now you can access the Moodle. Log into Moodle in given credentials on Developer Guide. After that, you must change password and admin email. Edit all details and click Update Profile button. Log out and re-log in using new credentials. Navigate Site Administration tab for customized LMS systems. Enjoy Moodle!